Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to reply to an email in Gmail. So I'm heading over to my Gmail. So as you can see, I'm in here and make sure you have logged in into your account by tapping the profile icon on the top right. You can get that. And as you can see, there are some mails. So if I just head over to an email, and there is an option of reply in the bottom, so tap on reply and here you will get the long making full screen option. So here you can see the automatic mail and that we want to send to the person, or the two part in which are the mail email number, email address we want to send is automatically in here. And from my email, it is set and the subject is ready. You can also change it to subject. And here you have to write an email and then send it by tapping the paper plane icon on the top right. You can also add any attachments you like, as photos or files or any G drive links. So yeah, this is how you can just send a reply to an email in Gmail. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.